My name is Londiwe Patricia Titwai. My poem, Giant Jumbo Jets. The lesson of this poem, the poem describes how big an aeroplane looks when it is on the ground, and then how small it is look when it is in the sky. My poem, Giant Jets. One giant jumbo jet, ready for flight. One giant jumbo jet, door closed tight. The engine starts a roaring. Everything is fine. Start down the runway, following a line. The wings are all a silver. The jets are all a cloud. Pull back the joystick. Up we go, little a silver airplane, up in the sky. Where are you going to? Flying so high, over a mountain, over the sea. Little silver airplane, please take me. Let us repeat. One giant jet, ready for flight. One giant jet, door closed tight. The engine starting and rolling. Everything is fine. Starting down the runway, following a line. The wings are all a silver. The jets are all a cloud. Pull back the joystick, and up we go. Little a silver airplane, up in the sky. Where are you going to? Flying so high, over the mountain, over the sea. Little a silver airplane, please take me. The wings are all a silver. The jets are all a cloud. Pull back the joystick, and up we go. Little silver airplane, up the sky. Where are you going to? Flying so high, over the mountain, over the sea. Little silver airplane, please take me. That is the end of my poem.